Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your Steam Deck stuck on the logo screen and not starting? Let's fix it in a few easy steps. Step 1. Force a restart. Hold the power button for about 12 seconds until the Steam Deck turns off. Then press it again and turn it back on. Step 2. Boot into recovery mode. If it still gets stuck, press and hold volume down plus power until the boot menu appears. Choose Setup Utility or Recovery depending on what you see. Step 3. Use SteamOS Recovery. If nothing works, you may need to reinstall SteamOS. On another PC, go to the official Steam Deck Recovery website, download the recovery image, put it on a USB or microSD, connect it to the Steam Deck and boot using the boot menu. Follow the steps to re-image your device. Step 4. Contact Steam Support. If all else fails, contact Steam Support through the official website. They can help with hardware issues. And that's how to fix a Steam Deck stuck on the logo screen. Hope this helped. Like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.